In this video, let me quickly show you how to trade options inside of Robinhood. If you have been trading options, it's like any other platform and the processes are also pretty much the same. I'm just going to show you the steps that you need to follow in order to place a options order inside market using the Robinhood platform. Now once you're inside of the app of Robinhood, in order to trade options, just pick a particular stock that you like to trade. Once you open up the profile of a particular stock that you're trying to trade, you can tap on the trade option on the bottom right, and you're going to get this option which says trade options. Now if you do not see this option, you'll need to first of all allow it from the settings of the Robinhood account. So just head over to the settings, find the section of options, and you just need to enable the option trading it inside of Robinhood. Once you tap on trade, you'll be taken to this section, and as you can see on the top, there are different dates which are the expiry date of the Tesla options. Just pick a date which you want to trade. Once you pick out a date from the list above, you can see the list of prices that are available. Either you want to buy a call or buy a put, depending upon if you are bullish or bearish. So just tap on one of these prices, tap on the plus icon. Once you type on the plus icon, it's going to show you the details of this particular trade or the option that you just selected. You can select from different types of orders such as limit orders, stop orders, or market orders. If you select the market order option, your trade is going to be placed instantly depending upon the price you selected. You can also take a look at the spread that is available, the difference between the bid and ask, and then tap on review on the bottom. So that was a short video about the way that you trade options inside of Robinhood. Do give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe to this channel for more informative videos just like this.